Annyeong guys, it's DY. We're gonna make this kimchi udon today in 10 minutes. It's easy. Let's get started. So what we need today is of course some kimchi here. And this is frozen udon noodle, one serve size. And then I'm gonna use these fish cake balls. Haha, I like this shape. And vegetables, spring onions and chilies and garlic. This one is a shoyu soy sauce. It's pretty sweet and already seasoned, so this will make it much easier, okay? So I'm gonna set up this timer in 10 minutes. Let's 시작! Alright, I put him on here. Okay, basically you put everything in the pot and boil it. So of course kimchi goes first. This kimchi udon is perfect for the cold weather. Today it's a little cold. And don't forget to put this kimchi juice. I'm gonna put half cup of kimchi juice in here. It's kimchi udon, so I wanna add more kimchi flavor. And chuck these fish cake balls in. I have no idea why this name is fish cake balls. And spring onion. Oh, where's my knife? Alright, so spring onion, chop it up. Put these spring onions in and I'll use these leftover later. Okay, turn on the high heat. Where is that? Okay, I'm gonna crush 2-3 cloves of garlic and put them in. Yes, Korean dishes always need extra garlics. So what? And then I wanna put this hot water into the pot. Oh wait, I forgot the chilies. If you like spicy, you definitely need this green chili. Okay, I wanna put this hot water into the pot. I put roughly about half liters, but it's up to you. Just don't put too much. Gently shake it up. And I wanna boil it for about 3-4 minutes. Okay, let's check time now. I got 6-7 minutes left. I guess I don't have to be rushed. So while it's boiling, I wanna chop these spring onions for the garnish later. Ta-da! It's kim. Do you know kim? It's Korean seasoned seaweed. I want to add this kim at the last. And 2 tablespoons of this shoyu. As I said, this shoyu is already seasoned, so this will bring all the udon flavor at once. That means it's much easier. And udon noodles. I like to put this noodle directly into the soup. You normally cook this noodle separately for the udon. But I don't do that, just chuck him in the soup. Yeah, that's just fine. And this will make the soup more thick. I want to add a bit more water. This kimchi is a little bit sour to me, so I want to add a bit more of sugar. And if your kimchi is not sour enough, add some vinegar. It depends. And tablespoon of chili powder. If you have a Japanese shichimi, oh, that's perfect. If you don't have, just chili powder is fine. Okay, boil it for a little bit more. 추워. It's quite cold today. I guess outside is even warmer than inside here. Okay, I'll show you. Look at this. It's good weather outside, isn't it? Smell good. Two minutes left. Haha. Okay, turn off the heat now. And I want to add this all spring onions and kim for the garnish. Okay, I want to bring it in here. Finished. I should have decorated better, but that's okay. Now 10 minutes done. That was really quick. Yeah, this kimchi udon is really good for the cold weather and also very good with some soju. Soju's best friend, huh? Ooh, look at this. It's still very hot. Okay, I'll have a bite. Oh, I love this noodle. Oh, definitely. 단무지, oh. Alright, this is my first 10-minute challenge video. I definitely like it. I hope you guys enjoyed it too. I'll see you guys later. Bye. 안녕. 끝.